Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Dodge Journey and I will show you how to adjust the position of the steering wheel based on your arm length, seat position and your preferences. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now there is a black lever. I will turn on the flash on my phone. There is a black lever right here under the steering wheel, you see? So all you have to do, you have to push it down all the way and that will unlock the steering wheel. And now once that is done, you can adjust the height of the steering wheel and also the depth. I will show you here from the side views. You can push it in or pull it out, in or out, right? And once you're happy with the position, you want to lock the steering wheel back in place by pushing this black lever all the way up. And before driving, make sure to test if the steering wheel is nice and firm. Also, one more tip, you don't want to do this while you are driving, right? You want to do it when the vehicle is parked and ideally the engine is turned off. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.